Hello, everyone. My name is Harold Oliver. I'm the principal at Riley County High School. I have a couple students here with me as well, Emma Bonablus and Izzy Bond. Both of our students attended our job simulation exercises at the beginning of the year and our career fair this past spring. I just want to tell you a little bit about what we did to reinforce what Valora's been talking to you about. We, in the fall, had all of our students participate in this job simulation day. We had half of our student body in the gym going through job simulations. We started out with our freshmen and sophomores, while our juniors and seniors were in the classrooms working on their IPS. And then in the afternoon, we just switched it up where we had IPS work by our freshmen and sophomores, and then we went back through our job simulations with the rest of our students. The way we set this up was we first divided our students up by the foundational pathways. We grouped them by their career choices to the best of our ability. We had 6 groups. We had outside people, which would be community members, who we pursued and recruited to come in based upon their career choices themselves. And while they were presenting in their simulations, we had a communication station, we had a critical thinking and problem solving station, we had a networking station, enthusiasm and attitude station, as well as teamwork and professionalism. And I'll let our students talk a little bit in a few minutes about what we did and what their responses were. But our students seemed to be very engaged in this process and enjoyed their time with this job simulation. And then in the spring, our site council put together a career fair for all of our students. Once again, we grouped them by their career choices, and we had them attend 4 different sessions on specific careers. We had 11 presenters in our building that day. We have a high school of about 220 students. We had 11 presenters in the building. They presented on different things for about 40 to 45 minutes, and we asked them to include some of these job skill traits that we went over in our simulations: the communication, the teamwork, the professionalism, and all of those. Our kids seemed to enjoy that. Our presenters enjoyed it. We felt like through the course of this exercise that was beneficial. We plan to do it again next year. We're going to bring our freshmen in and have them go through the simulations because our sophomores, juniors, and seniors have already had the training. But at this time, I would turn it over to Emma Bonablus and Izzy Bond, and they will provide a little bit of feedback to what our days were like at Riley County High School.
I really liked the simulations and didn't really realize all the importance that the skills provided and how they affect your job performance in your future. And I learned a lot, and like Mr. Oliver said, it seemed like all the students were like really engaged in all of it. So
it was also interesting to hear about the presenters during the career fair talk about some of the same topics that we had during the fall simulations. These topics taught us skills needed to positively impact our future career choices in order for us to be successful.
These are just a couple students that are involved heavily in our school and do a lot of different things, have been out job shadowing, and have been doing different things in the career fields. So their positive feedback, and we had a lot of positive feedback by most of our students on this process. We hope that this gives you just a quick overview of what we did, and we would encourage you to try some of the same things. Thank you.